Foul jersey number 20, blocking foul. Arsua, you have committed 3 personal fouls. Substitution. Level substitution. Wakababayan. Wakababayan to Mr. Ubas. Ubas to Umo. Back to Wakababayan. 10 second shot clock. Umo. 5 second shot clock. Intercept by Lumusad to Mr. Otero. Otero John. Lugod. Intercept by Mr. Lugasa. Lugasa to Mr. Otero. Otero Asen. Good ball, 2 points. Otero. 31 42 to Obias. Tinawagan ng foul. Foul jersey number